Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar from Home Lecture, and today we're going to discuss about 3 levels of management after this. Okay, as we know, manager is referred to the person who manage the organization, and within the organization we do have a different level of manager. For example, the first one we do have top management, second we have middle level manager, and third we have first line manager. So what makes them different? Number one, first, top management is referred to the top people, right? Usually this group of people, they will work in what we call as planning, strategic planning, means long-term goal, and then they will disseminate to the another level, which is we call as a middle level manager. Again, top management, example for the top management is very simple: CEO, COO, directors, and etc. Meanwhile, for the middle level manager is referred to the bridge. We consider as a bridge from the top management to the first line manager. For example, departmental managers such as human resource manager, accounting manager, marketing manager, production manager, and etc. And last but not least is referring to the first line manager, which is we refer to the person, a group of people, refer to the leaders, manager that deal directly with the subordinate, deal directly with the employee, which is non-management employee. For example, supervisor. So obviously we can see that different level of manager will have a different task and different responsibility. Top management more for the long term, middle level management as a bridge between top management and also the first line manager, and first line manager they have to delegate, give the instruction to the non-management employee in order to achieve a specific goal as developed by the top management. Okay, see you guys again in home lecture. Bye.